Hi guys! This video is about how we made and filled our wooden raised tomato planter box. We used wood that's been lying around in our cold room for years. I believe it's fine and it's not treated. We cut it into 5 and 2 feet lengths and made a simple box using the deck screws. We also had a leftover 10 feet long post, which we cut into 2.5 feet long posts. We were worried about using the pressure treated wood inside the planter since we wanted to grow food in it. So we just mounted the posts from the outside of the planter in the end. Next came the lining. We used 2 pieces of wheat barrier fabric that overlapped. We then attached the fabric to the wood using the U-shaped fence staples. Next, we started filling the planter. First, we put some branches at the bottom. Sticks and plant waste help with water retention and save some money too. Then we added some leftover peat moss that we had from last year. Peat moss holds several times its weight in moisture and releases the moisture to the plant roots as needed. Next was the garden soil. I even added some kitchen scraps that will help feed the worms and the microbes. I added a lot of extra eggshells since that's a good calcium source for the tomatoes. We filled the planter to the brim because the level will still sink down after watering. I had grown these tomato plants from seed. They are looking quite healthy, so I'm hoping for a good crop of tomatoes this year. Funny thing is, I didn't write down their names, and there are about 3 varieties of tomatoes that I planted. It will be a surprise which varieties we get in the end. We didn't paint the planter since we are growing food in it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the updates.